This next part of the VIS-BOX tutorial looks at the planning of the VIS-BOX project. So at the start of your interpretation plan, you probably made a list of the films, audio, pictures and documents that your client wanted for their overall presentation. Now we need to take this digital content and put it into an order that we can easily upload onto VIS-BOX. So let's have a quick look at how we did the demonstration project. So we've basically got a media folder, just a folder called media, and in there I've put each individual type of digital content. So we've got the audio, about the bells, about the organ, and images of the bell ringers, logos, PDF document we want to include in the project, any specific text that we've found that we need to include, and obviously videos. Videos are all created by Peter Raleigh Studios, a fantastic digital content creator. So here's the plan, and let's see if we can make sense of this. So actually I'll open it in the JPEG format because it will film the full screen properly. So this is the plan for the demonstration. Obviously this would normally have even more content for a full project, but for ours this is how it looks. So the keys, we have pages, posts, the actual media, and then buttons. So each of these blue boxes is an actual page that the visitors will see on the VIS-BOX, and it flows from the top down. So they come in, and this represents the actual VIS-BOX itself, so that's not doing anything, and they come in through the gateway page, which is the page that pops up on the network indication, notification, and also comes up on the laptop when we log in. And then we click the home button. So all the purple boxes are buttons, so these are the actual buttons that we see on the screen. We click the home button, and this takes us into the home page or the menu, and in our case it was the home page is, I'll make this smaller so it looks the same as so this home button is this home button. Click home, and this takes us into the menu. So this home page menu is a collection of buttons, and we can see we have welcome, the welcome film button, church tour button, we have windows tour, stained glass windows, we have notices, church notices, and we have the guest book. So basically clicking on this button, the welcome button, will take us to the welcome page. Church tour will take us to the church tour page, and we can see that the media content, the actual digital content, the films, the audio, the documents that we've previously recorded based on the interpretation plan are included in the actual page. So the welcome page contains the welcome film. The church tour page is an empty page, so there's nothing on there except two buttons, so the church bells button and the font button. And the church bells page is an empty page containing 4 buttons. The bell ringers page is an image slideshow. The bells page is a film. History of bells is a picture with text. The Val's talk is an audio tour. Okay, so you get the idea. By planning it out this way, it just makes it a lot easier for us then to put the project together within VIS-BOX. I mean, you don't have to do it on a spreadsheet. You can just do it as a mind map or just write it down in the format, but it helps if it flows in some ways, either from the top to the bottom or however you want to do that. The only thing that isn't a page on here is this box here, which is the post, which is the guest book post, which is where visitors leave comments. Okay, so I'll make these files available and the original spreadsheet file available so that you can actually play about with that. But you can see this is kind of the planning part, and we'll use this in the next sections, because what we'll do is we'll start off with a completely blank VIS-BOX and rebuild the project so you can see exactly how the project is put together.